If your Samsung screen is black or damaged, accessing contacts can feel impossible. This guide shows 4 easy ways to recover your important contacts, even from an unresponsive device. Way 1. Cover contacts from Samsung with black screen professionally. Broken Android data extraction is a powerful tool that can be used to recover data from broken Samsung phones, including those with black screens. Way 1. Cover contacts from Samsung with black screen professionally. Broken Android data extraction is a powerful tool that can be used to recover data from broken Samsung phones, including those with black screens. Step 3. Select your device name and model from the drop-down list. You can refer to the supported devices list to confirm compatibility. Step 4. Follow the instructions to enter download mode so the software can download the necessary repair package. Do the following. Power off your device. Press and hold volume down, plus home, plus power buttons. Then, press volume up to enter download mode. Step 5. Once the phone is fixed, the program will scan your device. After scanning, choose the contacts you want to recover and click Recover to save them to your computer. Way 2. Get contacts off Samsung black screen by connecting to PC monitor. Connect your Samsung to a monitor via USB-C, HDMI. Use a USB mouse to unlock and navigate. Sync contacts via Samsung Cloud or Google or export VecFF. Connect to PC. Copy the VecFF file and import elsewhere. Way 3. Cover contacts from a dead Samsung phone via Google Contacts. Open Google Contacts on your new phone. Tap your profile at account. Sign in with your backup Google account, then go to Fix and Manage Restore Contacts. Way 4. Get contacts from Samsung with black screen via SmartThings Find. On your PC, go to SmartThings Find. Sign in with your Samsung account. Select the data types and click back up to Samsung Cloud.